Hi guys, it's me again. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate and show you how you can delegate access to your business website and invite people to edit it, such as me, designers and content probably writers or copywriters. So when you go to the Wix page, you can click here on sign in button and choose the way you want to log in. Usually when you log in into Wix, you have to enter the business email that you manage your wix.com. I use my temporary website at the moment. That email also I have delegated access to other people's websites and I'm managing their websites in that way. So for me the easiest way is to use Google because this is how I usually use it. And once you're logged in your dashboard, this here is called Wix dashboard, you will see here one of the few things that you can do and manage your websites, some inbox notifications and your profile, where you can see all the settings that Wix has for your account. What are the most important things that you have to notice here is that you can create folders, which I maybe should do since I have so many websites already. Create a website and also choose how many websites to see. Here next to the logo on the left you can see a drop down which says my sites, and here are my clients, my portfolio, and another client, and one demo. You can choose which website you want to access as an owner, and let's see, I'm gonna use my portfolio for example. And remember guys, this is a very important information that only owners can transfer websites. Nobody else can transfer websites except the owners of the website. Here is another view, not only the account that you use for Wix, but that specific website that you want to manage. Here on the left, where is the Wix, you can see the selected website. And the most important feature here is the search menu bar that can help you find your needed information very quickly. Here also there is a site actions, rename, view, transfer. As I mentioned, only owners can transfer sites. Invite people. This is also the one way to do it. Or type here, invite, and there is a roles and permission accepting invitation. One way to do it is to use the search bar or the site actions. So I'm gonna choose the option from here, and here it is. Very few steps left, so you can invite people to actually help you manage your website. So before you delegate access, I would really recommend you to read all the roles and what kind of access they have. Admin or co-owner has full access to manage, edit, publish site, including billing domains and inviting people, but cannot delete or transfer site. This very full and very informative sentence is very important. Web designer, web manager, website manager, back office manager, billing manager, and etc. etc. You can even create a new role, but that probably will be for another video. Select the actual role, which, as you can see, the level of delegation that you give to these people get the access from the lower levels as well. So here I'm going to type another email of mine. I will send invite. You can choose the type of person that you're sending the invite to, or you can just click it. Here there is a successful message that your invitation was sent. And also, as you can see, here is the one indication that invitation was expired and someone didn't actually accept my invitation. This is how you can remove expired or in general people from your website. Clicking on the three dots, resending the invite, if you see it here, or remove the invite. The invite is sent. It can take a few minutes or maybe a few hours. Don't forget to check your spam folder as well. And after the invitation is accepted, the status here, it probably will change from pending to activated, accepted, or something like that. And then when you go back to your all sites window, you can actually see for each website who are the people managing your website. Actually, when you delegate access to few people, you can see clearly which people have what kind of role and permissions to your website. When you hover here on the two people, and you can see how many active users are using their accounts in Wix to change things on your website or have access in general. That's it, and I hope this was helpful and useful for you guys. Let me know in the comments what would you like me to show you next time about Wix. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like. If you have any recommendations, questions, or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. Subscribe for more similar content, and also expect a lot more tutorials on user experience and design topics. Thank you once again, and see you in the next one. Bye!